Dewalt. This is the brushless, you know, no carbon. These are new editions. Way back 10 years ago, 5 years ago, there is this carbon. You know, you have to change the carbon when it is overheated. But this one, guys, the new editions is no more carbon. This is called brushless. So there is no more brush. This came out from a combo, guys, but we will have to review individually. But at the same time, this is a combo. It is very good value. The original price on this is 385 New Zealand dollars, and this one is 285. But I got this for a combo for 380. So basically, the 5 amperes watts, the 5 amperes plus the charger is $200. So basically all of it, if you buy it singly, it's at like 800 to 1,000. But it's very good combo. So we will do unboxing and we will do a review separately, guys. Which in love with this brand, the Dewalt. Is all. So yeah, what we have here is the manual, guys. This is the guide of the impact rail. The model of the impact rail is Dcd790 and the model of the hammer drill is Dcd790 to 795. Yeah, that's the details. And this is your impact reel is that one. Very compact, you know. And we have the drill, 18 volt drill brushless. This has 2 speed, guys, 1 and 2. Yeah, there are a model, it's a 3 speed, and that's very expensive. So you got that one. So you know, collection. Very compact. This is rubber. Very nice, very handy. It's really lightweight, and there is this robust feel to it, durable, and this is made in China. But yeah, the Dewalt is originally made in USA, and they have manufactured in Brazil and in China as well. So our one is original, but it's manufactured in China. And this is the lithium DCB111 115 charger. Yeah, so this could charge, guys, to 10 volts, 11 volts, 12 volts, and 14 volts and 18 volts. And we have an extra. Good, we have an extra, guys, to that one. And this one's the battery type. This is the 5 ampere 18 volts lithium battery. A very nice, you know. Good. Hello, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for bearing that unboxing. Yeah, okay, this is come out from the combo. This is the Dewalt XR. It is an ion 18 volts, guys. This is an XR, and the model of this is very odd. It could be the Dcd790 and the Dcd795. So yeah, this is the cam, and it's the XR model. Freaking good, guys. This has a 2-speed, that's 1 and 2 speed. There's this is a very good exhaust, the right exhaust and the left exhaust. This one is a good grip, and it has an adjust from Angelo Dcd790 guys, and now you can rotate it so suave. It is really graceful, you know, unlike the other, but you can always do the trick. There is a middle lock, left, and then the right. This is all your bottom ones. Is already have your, you know, it's installed already. And yeah, the grip guys is freaking good. The rubber feel is really nice. It's so hugging in your hands. You can do the left-handed and the right-handed. Yeah, the model of this is the serial number DC596 and XE. Yeah, basically that's it, and we will test it, guys. Okay guys, we're gonna do the testing of this Dewalt Dcd795 XE. So basically there are like 13 different pattern or speed or the gear ratio. It has 2 speeds, 1 and 2. Okay guys, we will just try the number 7. What will happen to the number 7? Okay, I'm gonna try this here on the first speed. All right, it's good. Here we're gonna try on the number 11. And number 2 speed. Let's see if what will happen here. Oh, it's very fast. For me guys, it's really nice, you know, not just for beginner. It's not for DIY. This is trade quality brushless drill. This is really good guys. Dewalt is known for a good ratio, a good gear, and a very durable. I will rate this a 9 out of 10 guys. Okay, this has a very good factor guys, because you know, these ones, the driller of the hole, it can penetrate, and it goes to 11. Hit it. 9, 3, 5, 6, and 2, 13. And the speed, but that's it guys. I love it. I rate it for 9 out of 10. Very good trade quality. If you're looking for a good drill, try the Dewalt's 18 volts XR Dcd795 XE. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.